A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark legal battle, two Australian teenagers are challenging the country's new social media ban for individuals under the age of 16, claiming it violates their constitutional rights to free communication. The law, set to take effect on December 10th, mandates that social media platforms such as Meta, TikTok, and YouTube prevent users under 16 from creating accounts. This unprecedented legislation is being closely scrutinized worldwide, with advocates arguing it is essential to shield children from harmful online content. However, the plaintiffs, 15-year-olds Noah Jones and Macy Nayland, supported by the Digital Freedom Project, DFP, assert that the law infringes on their rights and silences their voices. We shouldn't be silenced. It's like Orwell's book 1984, and that scares me, Nayland stated, expressing concern over the implications of the ban. Communications Minister Anika Wells has countered the challenge, asserting that the government will not be intimidated by legal threats or the influence of big tech companies. The DFP argues that the ban disproportionately affects vulnerable youth, including those with disabilities and First Nations backgrounds, who rely on social media for connection and communication. They contend that the law's impact on political discourse is significant, as the ability to engage in political communication is an implied right under Australia's constitution. The group has called for alternative measures to enhance online safety, such as digital literacy programs and age assurance technologies, rather than imposing a blanket ban on young users. Noah Jones criticized the government's approach as lazy, advocating for protective measures that empower rather than silence youth. The legal challenge has garnered attention, with reports indicating that major tech companies like Google are also considering their options in response to the ban. While polls suggest that a majority of Australians support the law, mental health advocates warn that it could isolate young people and push them towards less regulated areas of the internet. As the case unfolds, the world watches closely to see how this unique legal challenge will shape the future of social media access for minors in Australia. The implications of this case could set a precedent for other nations grappling with similar issues of online safety and youth engagement in the digital realm. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.